everyone? Okay, Mechanical Thunder B grabbing a ton of green cubes. Mechanical Thunder A doing the same. Both teams are trying to get as many cubes in these goals as they can for all those extra points. Mechanical Thunder A knocking off some of those red cubes off the post for extra points. And Mechanical Thunder B is lining up to score a ton of green cubes into the goal. And they get a lot of cubes in that goal as we get to 35 seconds. You can now switch drivers. Mechanical Thunder B and taking some more cubes. Mechanical Thunder A with a lot of cubes up into that lift. And they drop some purple cubes. With 20 seconds left, can they recover? Mechanical Thunder B lining up to score some greens. Mechanical Thunder A seeing if they can fit those greens into the goal. And they managed to get one. Can they get two? With 6 seconds left, both teams are going for a double partial park. Ton of green cubes scored in this match.